Question came through earlier today, and I thought it would make for a perfect video, is someone had ceramic coated their car and it had been raining for about 3 weeks, and they wanted to kind of do like a ceramic coating maintenance or a reset wash on their car, and they've heard about these 3 pH systems and whatever, and they just wondered, it was actually their question, could they use a little bit of Pure Magic Cleaner mixed with the Super Soaper? And I've actually done a video on this before, but I thought it would be a great video to kind of redo, and I have a car that needs a ceramic coating maintenance wash, and so what I do and what I recommended is 2 ounces of the Super Soaper mixed with 2 ounces of the Pure Magic Cleaner concentrate. So the 16-ounce bottle comes pre-diluted at 4:1. So if you're doing this, you're going to want to pick up the concentrated version of Pure Magic Cleaner. So I'm going to do 2 ounces of the Super Soaper. Realistically, I'm a heavy pourer, so I'd probably do a little bit more, and I may do a little bit more, but for what you should actually do, I'll say 2 ounces. And then 2 ounces again, this is a messed up label because it's my personal use. 2 ounces of the Pure Magic Cleaner. Oh, almost got it, still a heavy pour. And then that is gonna go into your foam cannon, like so. You're gonna get a great grape color like that. And then you're gonna fill the rest of your foam cannon up with water. And so I'll do that right now. I'll take you outside and I'll show you the truck and then foam it up and show you how it works in real life. We're gonna dry foam the car because I don't think you should ever pre-rinse, but I just wanna check something out because I haven't, the hydrophobics. I coated this car with the Gloss Boss about 5 or 6 months ago. It goes off-roading, it lives outside, clearly doesn't fit in the garage. So I just wanted to see before I foam the whole thing how the hydrophobics even look. Awesome, they look great. So that is 6 months. It's the Gloss Boss 6 months later. There's been no toppers, no maintenance, but we have the concoction right here. And so again, I do not pre-rinse the car. I go straight to foaming, though I pre-rinsed right here just to show it. But so we're getting that thick, really thick foam because the Super Soaper foams and Pure Magic Cleaner foam's really good. Might have to mix up a little more. I've let it dwell for about 3 to 5 minutes, and this is really where you want the soap to be at, both on the paint and on the glass. It's not dry. We're not letting it dry on the paint. We're not letting it dry on any of the surfaces, but right at that point where it's about to start drying. So I'll rinse everything off. I will let it dry, and we'll kind of see where we were. Again, this is a no touch. We're going for no touch. Depending upon the condition of the car, you may have to do a contact wash, but if you are doing a contact wash, you still want to dry foam and fully rinse first and then refoam to do your contact wash. That will be the safest, cleanest way to do it. So let's rinse this off. There we go. We'll let it dry and I'll maybe hit it with the blower and I'll show you how all the dirt and grime that was specifically in here has been completely removed. And so again, a no touch. We're not trying to harm the ceramic coating. We're not trying to damage it at all. This one really wasn't that clogged, but based on the question I got, his was clogged from rain and stuff like that. So the mixture of the Super Soaper cleaning ability, a little bit of the acid from the Pure Magic cleaner really makes a smooth, easy, touch-free wash, decontamination wash. So I'm trying not to touch it. So I have my Ryobi blower with the extension because this truck's big. So So again, I think we have some before shots of specifically this door, this fender, and kind of the dirt that was accumulated and built up along this side. And again, without touching it, with only using 2 ounces of Pure Magic Cleaner and 2 ounces of the Super Soaper, we're able to create a completely safe wash experience and unclog, rejuvenate the ceramic coating. It's a very, very easy way to do that. And in fact, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a bundle together that I'll link below, and I'm gonna call it like the decon bundle. And so we'll have a gallon of the Pure Magic Cleaner concentrate. We will have the Super Soaper in there. And then kind of the bonus add to this would be a bottle of Tough as Shell, because after you have completely cleaned the vehicle, a bonus to kind of help the coating. This coating's performing very well. But again, if you want to add a little bit of slickness, adding some Tough as Shell directly on top of this would be kind of the cherry on top. So I will link everything below, but regardless of what ceramic coating you have on the car, this is a proven safe method to decontaminate it and to really rejuvenate and extend the life of your ceramic coating. So hopefully that was an easy process to understand. Again, I'll link everything below, including the new decontamination bundle that I just thought of as we were kind of shooting this video. But again, it'll make a easy package for you to buy instead of buying everything individually. And I'll discount it as well if you buy it as a bundle. How about that? So I'm here to serve. Here to serve. So with that, hopefully you guys will choose to subscribe as well, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. See ya.